Strap in, thrill seekers and camera junkies, because we've got a juicy leak that's shaking up the action cam scene. Insta360 might be cooking up a brand new pocket powerhouse, possibly dubbed the Go 4S, and while the name's still under wraps, the hype is exploding louder than a drone swarm at golden hour. First look, leak season just got spicier. The leak, which came from Igor Bogdanov on X, formerly Twitter, gave us our first juicy glimpse at this mysterious new device. And unlike the Insta360 GO 3, which rocked that two-piece modular setup with its action pod, this new version appears to be a one-piece unit. Yep, no more magnetic screen pods flopping around like a toddler's toy. This one looks tight, tough, and tidy. That design shift could mean more durability, better water resistance, and less stress when you accidentally dunk it in your soup while filming your lunch. Hey, it happens. Big lens, bigger ambitions. The first thing eagle-eyed fans noticed, that lens is big, like noticeably chunkier than before. And that's a good thing. A bigger lens usually means a bigger sensor, and that translates to better image quality, improved low light performance, and sharper details. Basically, your memory's just got a 4K glow up. Imagine attaching this to your bike and actually capturing your sunrise ride in all its golden hour glory. No more grainy footage that looks like it was shot through a potato. Insta360 sticking to its roots with a twist. The magnetic charging zone is still around, bless, meaning quick power-ups and maybe even faster data transfer when using the dock. And that's not all. There's a status LED below the lens and what looks like a circular front-facing grille, which is probably hiding a fancy new microphone. Could it be stereo? Directional? Either way, it sounds like audio is getting a much-needed upgrade. No more muffled woo while skydiving. Insta360 wants your excitement to sound as epic as it feels. Smart, smooth, and still. Insta360. Of course, the brand's beloved AI stabilization is expected to return. That means buttery smooth footage even when you're running, jumping, or being chased by an over-caffeinated squirrel, not speaking from experience, of course. And Insta360's auto-editing magic, still on board. Because not everyone has 3 hours to trim clips and pick background music. The verdict, it's not official, but it's exciting. Sure, there's no word yet on price, specs, or release date. And heck, we're not even 100% on the name. But this leak is enough to stir the pot. It's giving us a preview of what might be the most practical and powerful Go camera yet. And yes, DJI's got a mystery cam of their own leaking in the wild, but that's another story. For now, all eyes are on this tiny titan from Insta360. So Insta360, just release it already. Our wallets are ready, our SD cards are empty, and our cats are waiting to be strapped with the next-gen Go 4S.